I'm gonna set up my telescope under this cloud bank. Look at that. Psych. It's clear over here. Check it out. That's the west. We got the crescent moon trying to set. And then this is the anvil of a cumulonimbus cloud towering high up into the troposphere, probably punching through the tropopause into the lower parts of the stratosphere. Look at that. What do we got here? Some sort of cable, like a power cord. Let's follow it through the shadows. Hold on, there it is. Here's the cable. Where's it going? So here's the cable. Following it. Following it. Oh, cool. An Orion Atlas Pro mount. Just what I needed for tonight. Alright, so check this out. We got so many cables to plug in. We got this. That's gotta go in here. That's for the power. Then we got the hand controller. That looks like this. But we will need this. This small scope and that red small camera together makes my auto guide scope package. All right, so this and this are dovetail slots for my auto guider. Since I have this motor right here, which is heavy, I'm gonna put my guide scope on the opposite side of this. I'm gonna put it over here on the right side so it's more evenly balanced. And last but not least, my auto guider cable. There it is. So we got the power, the hand controller, and the auto guide cables in. But look at this. We got all these cables here. All this stuff for the cameras, the filter wheel, and it's just a mess. I gotta work on my cable management, but it works for now. Okay, so there's some distant lightning up to the northwest of here. It's really hard to capture on my little cell phone camera. Oh, I don't know, man. That was a rough start to my night. So I got literally 4 exposures of 5 minutes apiece, and then the clouds started rolling in, and the radar was showing a powerful thunderstorm, 2 actually coming right for me. And I made the call. I was like, it probably is gonna miss me, but I got a lot of expensive gear out. Let's put it away, and we'll set back up when the storm passes. And it got really windy and really cloudy, but it didn't rain or anything. But you can't be too careful, you know. So I lost about an hour or so, about an hour, because then I had to set everything back up. And we're grinding away now. We're doing the first ever Mosaic. I'm doing a 2x2 panel Mosaic of the Sadr region in narrowband. It's gonna be awesome. So check it out. Okay, so here is Nina on the left and PhD2 guiding on the right. Sorry about this right here, this green, that's just the reflection of my my LEDs off of my TV screen. But this is grayscale. Let's see if we could zoom in here. Take a look at this exposure. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, we got some great nebulosity in here. And this is just one sub right now. And as you can see in the bottom, I'm taking 300-second exposures. That's 5 minutes. And I'm doing this mosaic sort of multi-panel sequencing. At the top left here we have panel 1, 2, I'm on 3 right now. I've done panels 1 and 2. And then this tab here is panel 4. Alright guys, so I want to show you a really cool feature of Nina, and this is what I have been using for my first ever Mosaic project of the Sadr region in Cygnus. On the far left hand side, if you go to the third icon called Framing, and if you just type in something near the target that you would like to image, for example, my wide field target doesn't really have a name, but Crescent is in there, so I'll go ahead and let's try a 2x2 panel mosaic. I like to do like a 15% overlap, and you just hit load image and it'll think for a moment, and then you want to hit this button here to expand to the full view, and I like to bump that opacity all the way down so I'm only seeing the boundaries of each frame. So I ended up choosing a 45-degree rotation angle, and so that puts me right here. So this is the framing that I've chosen, and that's what we've been doing. And I only got some of the data so far. It's going to be an ongoing project this summer. So what you can do down here is hit add as sequence target, or I could slew. If it were just one panel, I could just click slew and it'll go right there. So it's really handy. So if you were to hit add as sequence target, I don't know what this is, get rid of that. But here's panel 1, 2, 3, and 4.